Learn how to use the new FLUKE T6 with revolutionary FieldSense technology. Measure without connecting to metal parts of a live electrical installation, also known as the mains. In this video, you will learn what to keep in mind when using your new FLUKE T6. For this demonstration, we won't be using an electrical panel. Let's get started. First, connect the measurement adapter to a mains socket, and then connect your load to the adapter. In this case, we are using an electrical heater. Please note that before going forward with the measurement, we need to check which wire is phase and which wire is neutral. The black cable should be phase. If this is not the case, you need to reverse the Schuko plug. Of course, you can use the T6 to check. To start a measurement, set the instrument rotary selector to FieldSense voltage. Then, place your finger on the ground contact at the back side of the unit. As you know, voltage is measured between 2 points, and the T6 measures in non-contact mode also against the reference earth. The earth contact at the back side of the unit is creating this reference using your body when you make contact with your finger. This is a so-called capacitive coupling to earth, and a safe way of measuring. Place the isolated wire in the fork of the T6 and you will get a voltage reading immediately. It is important to keep in mind that for a good measurement, the wire must be placed perpendicular in and all the way to the fork end of the unit, exactly in the middle of the red marked area. The wire you measure, as well as the other wires, should not be touched by hand. Now switch on the appliance you use as load to create a current. In this example, the heater we use has approximately 8 amps load. Again, make sure the isolated wire is placed in the fork of the T6. Now you can immediately check out the voltage and current readings. You can see that the loading of the mains is causing a voltage drop when switching on this load. This could be an important indication for you when troubleshooting. A voltage drop of 5 to 10 volts could be normal. In some cases, you will need to establish an earth reference using the black test lead of the unit. In this video, we are simulating by using gloves. The measurement itself can still be done in a non-contact way by just placing the wire in the fork, but now using the black test lead for earth reference. So even without opening the circuit and without the need for contact to live parts, you can easily measure voltage and current. Here are some hints to keep in mind when using the T6. Do not touch the active wire by hand. Do not have more than one wire in the fork. Remember to place the wire in the right angle and position in the fork of the T6. With the FLUKE T6, you can measure voltage and current in one step without contact to live electrical circuit, making the T6 a perfect tool for troubleshooting, maintenance, and service. An all-in-one tool for electricians in industries and residential commercial facilities.